Hey, and welcome to the Canopy. This is the reason why I've been wanting to improve my suspension with the ute. I've got it second hand. I've just got to do a few things to it now. It was sitting there for a little bit and unfortunately the batteries have died. And for now, I'm just going to replace them with more AGMs. There are a few things about how the Canopy was wired that I just want to change, and we'll just go through that today. On this side you got a lot of storage, but over here is where the power board was and the batteries are stored there. I've removed them already, so we can show you when we fit them in. We've got a light on the back. We've also got a light up here on the gull wings. We've got a fridge, another light up here, and then down here we've also got a on-off switch for the external lights, and then we've also got these buttons here. So one's for that light up there, it's not going to work because there's no power, and then we've also got this other switch there for a pump. And then just on this side we've got our solar. We've got an input for our DC to DC. This plugs into the solar, and then this is also for the switch at the back. That you can put a tap on there, and that then is a connector that will go into a 12-volt pump into a water tank. So that's the Canopy, and now what we're going to do is lay out all the major components that we've got and just see how it works. We're adding a distribution board, using the existing fuse box. Now we're just going to add this one. We've got an inverter, and then we've got a DC-DC charger and a solar controller as well. This is the main reason too why I wasn't going to change the batteries now, because I didn't want to upgrade any of this stuff. We're just going to spend some time laying out the components we've got on this board. I'll just show you. It's mounted up there. I've got my trusty sidekick with me. Come along for the ride. Alright, it's been a busy day. Been working on this Canopy, and we've come up with a good solution. We definitely know it's version 1. We being me and my trusty sidekick. So, I thought I'd just give you a quick look at it and our handiwork, and we'll turn her on and see what the go is. Please, all of you YouTube electrical engineers, fire away. Tell us what we've done wrong, tell us what we've done right. Happy to take all criticisms, feedbacks, Google reviews, and Facebook mentions. Nevertheless, we'll get into it. Why don't you give us a run by what's there?
Here we have the DC to DC charger, solar panel, and that all goes to the distribution board, earth to the distribution board and earth to itself. Here we have the fuse box that comes off the distribution board, and we have all our appliances, our lights, USB port and fridge. Powered to the distribution port, we have our main on and off switch with two 12-volt batteries wired in parallel, and that's all earth back to each other.
How much capacity the battery's got?
12 volts, and I think it's 103 amps.
That's right, so we've got 200 amps in total. We will turn her on. So, can we do the honours?
Sure. 3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah, that looks promising. How about we fire up the fridge? Oh my goodness. Alright, we probably won't need this anymore, because we've got, yes, there we have it. So a job well done. Yes, we can make some improvements that we've noticed, but well, I guess seeing as we've got the Canopy and we've got a ute, we should go for a camp tonight. What do you think?
I reckon that's a great idea.
I reckon we're gonna go for a camp. We got to put this to the test ASAP. So we are gonna go and run around and pack a few things and load up. See you soon.